Foosball? Foosball!
Foosball.
Foosball.
Foosball?
Foosball. Foosball.
Foosball. Foosball.
Foosball.
He's so mean to Matt Damon.
I don't like it, but I feel like maybe they're really friends.
Either they're really good buds, or one of them's gonna come up missing one day, and we're gonna know exactly who to go to. Really? That's just horseradish.
I don't like horseradish.
I like regular radishes. I don't think the
More of a
horseradishes
donkey
should be good
radish
to
kind
people.
of guy. For a mule radish.
Burrow radish.
Ooh, burrow radish sounds pretty good actually.
Yeah, that's a little
Some
bit more
guac.
of a southern flair.
Put some guac on that
Put some
burrow
guac with that
radish.
burrow radish. Hey, get some pico. Got some pico de gallo.
Pico de Simon Cowell.
The southern gal.
I said Simon Cowell.
Pico de Simon Cowell.
Yep. It's a reach, I know.
I like it. No, I like it.
Worst pico.
A lot of people that know me know that I don't hear so well, but he's pretty pico anyway, isn't he?
Poco.
Dang, your defenses are on fleek. Blow for blow.
Kick harder!
Whoa! Hey now.
You're sticking walls now, huh?
Yeah. We'll see if we can break this table.
Hey-o. Yeah, we're not.
No, you don't want me to go
No
for
more
that second
heads.
kick? I wasn't gonna go header. I was gonna kick that wall out though. Kick. My turn. Your turn. Yeah, you kick.
Who's a good West End?
Who's gonna kick the ball? You're gonna get. Yes, you are. Hey now. Trying to get it bounces. Look at that sweet kick. Like you didn't know what was going on. That was brilliant. Come on now.
What you want?
What you want? I'll tell you what I want, what I really, really want. I want a hut. Did I get interrupted there? What happened? Did she forget?
She burped.
I want an acid. She had the hiccups in the middle of her song.
It's like a Chris Turner one-liner. It's like, growing up my favorite spice was Posh Spice. Which cost my mom a fortune in saffron.
That is a good one, yes. I can't believe you remember that guy's name.
I really like that whole set.
It's a good set. He needs to get another 7 minutes though.
Yeah.
Is that foosball? Hey, there's another voice actor we hired for the latest opener. We hire him from all over the nation, all over the globe.
I haven't seen my royalty check through the mail yet. When can I expect that?
You get 7% of all proceeds. So,
Excellent. 7% of zero.
We're a
is,
non-profit at the moment.
not for profit. So
You know-
not going to be a profit.
you know what, Rob? Do something for the little people once in a while.
Yeah. Something for those very small people.
You know, the tiny, tiny people. Oh, that was funky.
It's like, we're not officially not for profit, it's just you are not
We're not.
going to get a profit.
I'm not sure the
Weston and
difference.
I might get a profit, but you will not.
I'm not sure the difference between not for profit and not profitable. But
They do the same, really.
yeah, so I mean, we can claim all sorts of stuff on our taxes.
I already do.
We didn't even start this till after tax season. Officially recording it, but you've been deducting and writing off expenses.
Every time that I'm not working is a tax deductible deal because I could have been working.
That's right. I've given time. It's like a charity. We need to make this a 501c3, and we'll be in business.
Absolutely.
Literally, we'll be
So
in
I'm very aware of
business
what those numbers
as
mean.
a charity.
And letters.
The official code under which charities reside in the tax code. Thanks for asking. Now we made it a tax show.
Is your dad an accountant or something?
Why don't we call this U-tax? U-tax, foos tax. Boring.
Boring.
Sorry to all the folks following us live. Oh, come on. Tough Man Wookie combo. Dang, how did that not bounce in?
I don't know. It's probably Sergio's fault.
Sergio again? No sleeves today?
No sleeves.
Ah. Sergio's non-sleeves always gets to me. Really?
How's the game going?
It was going really good until Tom scored.
It's going pretty well. I'd say it's a 5 out of 10. So
That's a new record for us, actually. What's that, Sergio?
It's always a matter of perspective.
Oh, see, perspective got me thrown off there.
depends on how you look at it, I suppose.
Whether you,
matter of
whether you think it's a
perspective or
matter of
not.
perspective. I don't know.
I don't really think that's true.
I'm gonna kick it in now. Tom got me all distracted. Oh, come on.
Comedian Harlan Williams.
Yeah, he's funny.
Yeah. You know, earlier I was like, was your dad an accountant or something? That old Disney movie, Rocket Man.
Oh, yeah.
He's,
Why are you guys referencing Elton
the
John?
girl he has a crush on is like, she has kind eyes. She looks like somebody might have been a baker. Like, why is that?
Bakers have kind eyes. You know this.
Yeah.
If you look up bakers on Wikipedia.
It's like,
Jeez. Angry much? Easy Bruce Banner. Is there a reason why the foosball table's green? Like your Hulk raid? Maybe.
hey, right back pass. That's a free goal.
Wait a minute. You can't just declare back passes are free. Do not pass go. Do not collect $2. Do not back pass. What? Now, I'm angry. You wouldn't like me. Just in general. It's nothing to do with anything else. Who's it gonna go to, Tom? Nobody. Let's go.
Oh.
It's gonna go to the werewolf. Yeah, I'm getting closer to you. Closer to the edge.
Are you about to break?
Well, depends on which song we're doing. There's a 30 Seconds to Mars Closer to the Edge song. There's a Linkin Park.
I was going
I
with
was just-
Linkin Park for a
I
moment.
was just going a little Aerosmith semi-reference. I bet there's a song by Yanni.
Katy Perry probably has some sort of song that has
Oh, yeah.
edge in it. And she's already singing about plastic bags, I assume.
Well, she's got one about roaring. That's an important subject. Thanks, son. Got some power. Kick it. Choop. Choop. I'm gonna just, no matter what, however I lose this game is definitely a self-blaming thing.
Yeah?
Yeah, a lot of good hard kicks, but not placing it right, just kicking for kick's sake.
Alright.
So I mean, I don't want to take away the credit if you do win that you won,
Seems like you're doing that.
but I don't want to. It's not that I'm not. It's just that I don't want to.
So,
Yeah.
I was recently noticed, the embarrassing ringtones that certain people in the office have.
Yeah.
And I was thinking, like, how important of a person, you know, like, just as a sense of humor, like, if
Yeah.
you were, like, the CEO of the company, like, what's the most embarrassing ringtone I can download and then have someone call me
Yeah.
on purpose just to see if they'll say anything?
Yeah. No,
You
I
know?
like that. I like that. I think one would be dollar bills.
Yeah,
something like super like in your face. I'm rich.
Well, I mean, Jitterbug would be pretty good.
Jitterbug's pretty
You'd be
good.
Like, really?
But a lot of people like that song.
Yeah.
It's a fan favorite.
Well, I don't know. I'm blue, abba do. That one, maybe. Some
That's
song.
a good one.
Some song that is very like either unmanly if it's a man or
Yeah.
female if you're females.
I like that. No, that's.
Something very just to see if they'll call you on it. I remember hearing a story.
Did I hear that right? Is that your ringtone?
I remember hearing a story about like Warren Sapp was in some meeting back when he was like a big star. And,
Yeah.
playing for the Bucks and like 300 plus pounds and
Yeah.
scary. And he had like on a pink blazer with like a phone with like pink shag carpet on it, and it rang some girly tone. And like nobody here's gonna tell him that's really.
Hey Warren. Yeah. Nothing.
Yeah, exactly. That's the scenario I'm looking for.
Well, I did go out in style, vanquishing myself like I promised I would.
Vanquished.